Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. Alexis here with Oh Modesty. Today, the video is a little atypical from what I'm usually recording, which is usually beauty products, makeup, purses, and fashion. Today, what I want to unbox, and I just got it in the mail today, and I've been waiting for this since August, is my camera setup. So if you're interested in seeing what the setup is, and what I'm going to be filming my videos in the future, please stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. So you guys ready? You're probably like, you know what? I'm so not into cameras and stuff. Give me makeup, give me fashion. But the reason why I chose to really record this video for you is because you're like family, right? You are my family, my YouTube family. And I want you to be on the journey with me every step of the way. And I've been really not happy with the color presentation and everything that I get from my iPhone. And there's not a whole lot you can do, you know, with it other than edit. And, you know, there's only a limit to editing as well. Whereas if I have a good camera, I can go ahead and right out of the camera, you know, be a lot better than what I've been using on my iPhone. But, you know, this is how we all start, right? Or at least, you know, this is how I started. But now my camera's here. And it has been since I ordered it, I think I want to say early September, but this has been on back order since August. So it finally arrived. And so I want to open it up and I want to share it with you because it's an exciting day for me. Okay. So first thing that I noticed about the box, well, first of all, I have to be home. Not like I'm not going to be home. It's, you know, COVID out there. Where am I going to be? So I had to sign for it. So which is good because that way it doesn't disappear. And so another thing I noticed what I thought was funny is this here. It says lithium-ion batteries forbidden for transport aboard passenger aircraft. I'm like, what? You can't, okay, so this is gonna go on like one of those huge UPS or FedEx commercial flights, but you know, I didn't know that these things, you know, those things happen. So I thought that was kind of cool. Yeah, I know, I'm weird, but yeah, I just want to share that with you. Did you know that? I totally didn't know that. So anyway, so let's go. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and open the box and then I'll pull out the things that that's in here. But you know, I did actually order some stuff ahead of time, knowing that I was gonna, you know, get this sooner or later, and I'm glad it showed up because I was thinking for a while now, what's going on? It's not coming. It's on back order. It's on back order. You can't buy it anywhere. It's sold out. And so I was a little worried because I already bought the lens, you know, but you talk about putting the, you know, the cart in front of the horse. Yeah, I did that. So, but the lenses were on sale. So I'm like, I'm going to take advantage of that in case, you know, and then I ordered from the same place, B&H Photo in New York, whom, you know, I really love them. Anyway, I bought it from the same place. So I figure if the camera never shows up, they would take back my lens. And so first of all, the lens that I got actually is a Canon because, oh, guess what? It's a Canon camera. And this is the EF 50 millimeter f-stop of 1.8 STM. What does that mean? I had to actually learn about it. STM actually allows the camera to focus without making that sound that you get from, you know, the camera when you're taking it. And so as it focuses, and for people that do video, that's really important that you get the STM, just FYI. And so, and the f-stop 1.8 means that I can be in the frame, very sharp, and everything in the back could actually be out of focus, which is ideal, right? And so I'm making it really simple. That's not what that whole thing is about. It has to do with how much the eyes of the lens open and things like that. Okay, so that's that. Giving you a very high level, 30,000 feet view. Okay, now, okay, and by the way, I ordered the kit. I got a software with it that lets me fix the pictures for like my thumbnails. And then I got the the battery pack. I got the camera with the lens, but typically some of these, a lot of times these don't come with the lens. They could come with just the body. And so, but I wanted it all that. I didn't want to, you know, mess with having to order this and order that. And plus I figured, you know what, it came out a lot cheaper to get it by the kit. So if ever in the future, if you're thinking about buying a camera, do that. Okay, so let's just go ahead and see part of the kit. And this is a SD card, and this is 32 gigs, which is really not that big in today's day and age. But this is the memory that actually going to capture the video, right? Because there's only a very limited amount of memory in the body of the camera itself. But this here actually is where it's going to be recorded, and then I can use it over and over again. Okay. And this pack here, oh, with the extra charger, that's another thing I ordered, is it comes with 2 batteries instead of 1, and that's part of the kit. And this is the creators, actually this is the creators kit, and they also have the video creators kit, which I thought about getting because I'm doing videos, but I wanted to get the microphone separate because I wanted a little bit higher speed microphones. I can capture the sound a lot better. And so now for the camera, this is the EOS 90D, and this is the graduation or the next version to the 80D. And you know, I've been watching the people kind of talk about the 90D and the 80D, and it seems like people that own the 80D are just a little bit, I don't know, they're a little bit hostile. And I don't know why that is. It's probably because they have an 80D and they're like, well, 90D is not any better, and there's not really that much improvement, and you know, I'll keep my 80D. I'm thinking, okay, that's okay, but we can all play in the same sandbox, you know, so it is what it is. So again, this kit is with the STM kit, and if you're thinking about videoing, you should get the STM because that prevents the sound of focus, because that way you pick it up on video if you don't have this STM. The other one is like a U something, starts with a U. I can't remember what it is, but it seems like by I did a little research. Why would you want the other version? Sounds like the photographers, not the videographers, but the photographers really enjoy that sound as they're shooting. I don't know. I mean, it adds to their creativity. I don't know. That maybe if you know, and if you know a photographer, or maybe yourself, you're a photographer, put the information below for me. I'm all for learning at any time, okay? So anyway, since I said I was gonna open the box, and I'm gonna set this up on a weekend, so rest of the week when I'm shooting the videos, which is going to be still several videos, it's going to be on my iPhone. So, okay, it comes with this book. It looks like a dictionary. Oh, yay. Look at the size of this book. And I'm a reader too, so I'm gonna have to like read through that. So, okay, and on the top, okay, this is a battery charger and another battery. So it seems like I have 3 batteries now, which is good. But just to make sure, what I actually did was not only did I get the kit, but I also ordered the battery that connects to the charger. Wait a minute, to the camera. It is an actual battery that connects to the camera that gets plugged in. So that way I'm not like losing charge. Whew, that was really hard. Okay, and of course your handy dandy strap for when you're taking pictures. And I think I'm going to take this out on a weekend and really take pictures this weekend and see how it works. So that way I can get used to it. And now here is the body of the camera. You ready? Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Ta-da! And I also ordered the like the glove that goes on here, so that way I don't dirty it. I ordered that separately ahead of time. That's weird, right? I didn't even have my camera yet, and I'm ordering those as accessories, and these people are probably like, yep, okay. Yep, I hope they come in. And this is, oh my gosh, this is so comfortable. You know, I'm not a Canon photographer. I used to do a lot of actual photography years ago, and I was a Nikon person. But the thing is, Nikon does not do good video, not as good as Canon. And my focus right now is video. So, I mean, don't get me wrong, the camera's good too. But as far as, yeah, the video, this is better. And aside from that, here is the lens that it comes with. And I think this is a fixed focal length, so, which is okay because that's what the video I'm gonna do, but I think I may have a zoom lens from another kit that I had, so we'll see. Here's comes with the lens. Okay, but like I said, usually they do come just like this, and just this is all you get, just this, and the battery, of course. And so, but I don't want to do that. But I'm not going to connect the kit lens. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and put this in a lens bag and put it away. And instead, I'm going to go ahead and connect my the 50 mil. So that's that. And so I know you guys are not really interested in the specs of this, and I don't know, maybe some people that are interested in this camera may actually come over to my channel and take a look. But you guys, I'm not an expert on this at all. I'm just now learning. And so, I mean, I would advise you guys, if you want to get the tech specs, the tech guys, Think Media, I mean, that's a great source. This is where I actually decided to buy this specific camera, doing a lot of research, and Think Media, and also a couple of other tech guys. There's a guy in Australia, Jason is his name. I can't remember what his channel is called, but I watched some of his stuff. And so just look around and take a look and see what's out there. But I just wanted to share this with my beautiful wildflower family, so that way you guys know that you should be expecting a better quality videos, I hope, once I learn to use it. But please forgive me in the beginning if it's a little bit klutzy. But anyway, that's it. So if you have any comments, add them below, and if I added any value, please give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. So I want you guys to have a great day, and remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.